Good evening, everyone. Today is September 21st, 2022. Uh, we have just finished FOMC and finally gotten a break of structure. So, right here is a high time frame chart. I know it looks a little bit messy, but let's just walk through it for a second. We will get into a plan for intraday tomorrow's RTH. But let's just look at this for a second. We got our short covered bid at 39.08, like I was looking for, up to the Bill T2, like I was saying. 41.37 was my level on the weekly plan, simply being the August POC where we trapped all of these buyers and they cleaned out. We sold off, got our move below the pivot. There we go, below the pivot. And then we had our temporary bids at 38.57, and then eventually our move down now to that 38.07 area. Now on the weekly plan, it's a little bit more precise. We had our pivot here around 86.75 to 06. We looked above during the FOMC right to 25. Interestingly enough, 25 is our year-to-date value area low, and we have now fallen. We have firmly rejected that and fallen down. We finally got that likely break that I was looking for, and we are at our minus support at 0150. 3800 being the gap close. Now, I have major support at 3744. That is simply because if you look at this area here, this is a balance zone roughly from about 3950, let's call it 3940-ish, down to 3744 is a balance zone. It's a big one, but it is a balance zone. And that 3744 is the 2021 yearly close. So I want to see if we can, after now that we've taken out these swing lows and come into the gap close like I was looking for, I want to see if there's continuation down into this this balance low, and if that's held as support. If not, we might take out this swing low and come into these lower yearly low numbers around 36.39, 36.75, I believe is a weekly POC here. Now, getting into the intraday time frame, as that's what we're focused on. Here we are. Again, there's our reaction off the 2022 value area low. We finally had our sell-off below and into that gap close at 3,800. For tomorrow, I believe 37.44 will put in some sort of lows. I will be swinging calls off of here. However, intraday, I'm looking to short all of these levels, 79.5 being the Q2 value area low, 81 being the Q3 open, 04 being the close and daily low, 33.25 the spike base of the FOMC initial reaction, and then 60.5 is right around last week's value area low, as well as the developing value area low. So I'm looking to short all these numbers. I'm not really interested in trading anywhere above here, just because I think that's when you're going to get some messier, more violent action. Now, I am looking for 44s to put in a low, and if they do, we'll have a sort of a, even if we do make our way back up to yesterday's low of the day, or sorry, today's low of the day, it's likely to be filled with nice short opportunities just because we have broken such major structure getting back into these 3700s as of Globex's recording. So overall, I'm looking for quite a short biased session, and I will be short at all of those levels and swinging calls off that 37.44 area. Hope that helps. You guys can follow me on Twitter, and there's also a link to the Discord that is entirely free. I'm in there every day posting plans, whatever, for myself, and if anyone else wants to look at them, they're free to. Hope that helps. Trade safe. Hopefully tomorrow is not as nuts as today. Let's see what we get.